So hey guys, hello there once again. Welcome back to our channel. You know it, ART with Shagun, and here I am back with another video. So basically, guys, today this video is going to be super exciting. And basically, the very first thing is that I was super excited to share this thing to you all, guys. And without any further delay, let me tell you that what this video is all about. So basically, I think earlier 2 to 3 days earlier, I just ordered this thing from Amazon. So yeah, this is a something that is really important for every single artist. I think after watching that image you would have got all those things. So I ordered this from Amazon, and I'm super excited to share you this that finally I got it today just right now, and I'm ready to show you guys that what it is and how it looks like. So yes, basically here it is. And let me tell you guys one thing, that the complete product link and every single thing written about this thing is going to be written in the description box, so you can go there and check out the link from there, and also few of the information related to this, and you can easily buy this from the link given below. So please go there and buy if you want to create something amazing. So yes, without any further delay, let me open this box. Basically it's time to unbox this. So yeah, let me open this. I'm just controlling myself for the video, otherwise I would have opened it like this is the reason why I never use scissors. I prefer using cutters and knife for this purpose. But you know, when it comes about video, you have to be professional, so that's the reason I'm just doing this. So wait for a second. I'm just thinking to do it. So yes, guys, finally here is our product. So here it just came. It came here. Okay, so let me show you that how it looks. So it says it's Artist Pro series. They are the sketchbooks. So let me take it out, and here it is. It was in a plastic wrap bag, as you all may have seen it. So here it is, and the thickness is all here. So yeah, and here is the product. Let me focus it once again. Second, guys. So here it is, and it says that it's a mixed media paper. So when it comes about mixed media paper, let me tell you that what it means. Basically it means that you can use multiple kinds of color or pencils or things like this. As you all might able to see here, it says that it can be used with acrylic, watercolor pencil, pen, and acid free, heavyweight for finished artwork. Okay, it's all written here. You can easily stop the video and read these things. And it is A5 size one. So I like to create drawings in a small page, as you all have seen in my previous video. I don't like to create like my drawings onto those very big papers. I just prefer canvas for all those purpose, and or you can go with the gesso boards. So yes, and for the normal ones I use these things. So yeah, it just comes with 100 sheets, as it says, and time to open it. So yeah, the very first page. Okay, you all might be able to see it's finished, and it's fine. It's here. There are pre-made holes for, you know, perfect finish of that tearing page. So yes, and let me make you guys hear this voice. This is something which makes me feel very satisfied. So yes, and I think it's a good thickness paper. So yes, I haven't seen that what is its GSM stand for, but I think it's 110 or something like this, 110 GSM. So yes, I think so, it's something like this. And after touching it, I think it's not too good for those heavy waterwork. So yes, you can't go really good with this using watercolor. So yes, I think so we can't go with watercolor. I will try it and then show you that how it will work. So yes, and guys, I just loved the thing of this sketchbook. So yeah, so yes, Here it is, and it's metal, I think so. It's metal bound, so yes, a bit difficult to fold papers, but I think this is a really good product. And this was for 185, and I got two of them under 185, so yes, I like them a lot, and I think in future also I will prefer to use them only. And I will say you guys also to use this same one, because I found number of people saying some these are best papers, or best the best sketchbook. So yes, I just heard these things, that's the reason why I ordered them, and I think they are going good. Till now they made me feel good. And if you want to order the A4 size of these sketchbooks, you will be easily getting them on Amazon. I will provide you link for the A4 size also, and from the link from the description box you can get the link of both the product, whether it's A5 size papers or A4. So yes, from there you can easily get it. And there are color options, like for the front page color option, there is nothing too much in this, like choosing your front page or something else, because the thing actually matters is like the thing what you create inside it. So yes, and I think this is a good one. And soon you will find videos being created on these papers. So yes guys, this was all about these product, and I just love them. After opening them, I think I was super excited to see what I get, and I think I got a perfect thing for me, and I got the thing that I just wanted. You may be able to see the shine and the finish of the paper. They are so good in touch. They are not like those canvas one, like those cotton piece, but they are so good for me. So yes, I'm going to use them in further of my videos, and there you will find me testing them out with number of colors and number of things. So yes, I hope that you all would have liked this complete review, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to our channel. Thank you for watching. And once again, I would say that if you want to buy them, the link is in the description box. From there you can easily check out this product, and there are multiple things available on Amazon, and soon I'm coming with number of products from Amazon related to art. So yes, if you want to watch them, you know what you have to do. You have to stay tuned with my channel. Till that, bye bye.